together. Just the one pen, but we're going to share it.
What are you going to do with this pen?
We're going to experiment. Then we'll see which color is it.
Okay, do you want to show which color it is? You can use that paper to show which color is it. Okay.
This is black.
What color is that?
Black.
Black. So what are you going to find out in this pen, Rania?
Rainbow.
So you are going to find out lots of different colors. Yeah? All right. So what's next?
We need to find out the colors.
Colors. Okay. So are you going to draw a picture and then, or are you just going to scribble and then show us the colors? What are you going to do now?
Draw.
What are you going to draw?
Flower.
Flower. Okay, it's your choice if you want to do flower. Actually, you're really good at waiting. Ashir? Ashir?
Yeah.
You're being good boy? Are you a good boy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have got the picture. Rani, do you want to share your pen with Hasha now? Hasha, do you want to draw something on it?
Masha, what do you want to draw? Dinosaur.
All right, okay.
Dinosaur.
Okay.
Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Well, if we do magic, magic always lead to trouble.
Magic always lead to trouble.
Yes.
Oh. So we are not doing magic, we are experimenting.
Yes.
Yeah? So
Right.
Hashi, have you done yours?
I don't.
Shall I do it for you?
No, I can do it.
Oh,
for
okay,
Hashi.
Api will do it for you. Okay?
Hashi, मैं करूँगी आपके साथ. Hashi, let's hold it together, then we'll do a dinosaur. Yeah. Api and the T-Rex. Rah. And here's its eyes now.
That looks cool.
No, isn't it a dinosaur? Hashi is moving that side. T-Rex. Now let's do spikes. T-Rex.
Wow.
Shall we do Brachiosaurus? Yeah.
I think one is enough.
Hashi, one is enough.
Okay. So what is next, Rania?
Now we're going to do it.
So do you want to show something in your plate? What's special in your plate?
It's a bowl, but it's not just a bowl. There's a teeny bit of
What is it?
water.
Water,
We
yeah.
squirted a little bit of water.
Okay.
Then we're going to do experiment. with
Okay.
that.
So let's put your paper, the picture you just drawn. Yeah. No, just put it that way. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Tap it. Yeah. Hashi, do you want to put your picture?
I should put it in the bowl, then there'll be a rainbow. Yes.
Yeah, like
Tap
that.
it.
Yeah.
Good.
Put it. And then
Bowl.
tap
Now,
it.
Tap it like this. Oops. No, Ashley, don't. No.
So now we have to wait a little, Rania.
Look
We
like
have to wait a little and then it will show us all the colors. Okay? So do you want to tell your friends that I'm going to come back and show you all the colors when it's
Yes.
ready?
Yeah.
Say it, Rania.
I'm going to come back in a minute, then the color will come.
They will be visible then.
Then they'll be invisible.
Not invisible. They will be visible.
Visible.
You will be able to see it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Just. It shows how my beautiful mommy did this. It got 3 colors. No, purple, blue, and what else?
What else? What are the colors you can see? Purple, blue and black, I think.
Black, purple, blue, and
Do you want to show to your friends, Rania? Wow.
Hello guys. Well, our delivery came, so let's open it up. Keep opening until the end.
Okay. So, shall we find out what's inside?
Yes.
Are you so excited?
Yes, I can't wait. I
Oh
didn't
no,
see
I
it.
think Hashir is not interested, Hannah.
Yes.
Oh,
He's watching that.
no. He's watching Baba's phone. Okay, so let's open it up and then let's see what's
Shall
inside.
we do it from here?
Huh? Can you open it? Okay, go on. Use both hands, Rania.
Oh, come here, guys.
Yeah. Shall I help you?
No, thank you, Mom. I can do it myself because I'm a big girl. Remember, I'm 5 years old. Our present can be cool. How shall I open it? Mommy! Ah!
Oh, that looks cool.
How shall I open that? How shall I open this thing?
So what do you think that is?
10.
Oh, wow. Let's open it.
I can't open it.
Okay.
I can't believe it. It's very beautiful. Oh, I never saw a tent like that. Oh, it's very beautiful and it's a princess tent. So let's keep opening. Let's see until the end. Oh, look, guys, my mommy's making a beautiful tent. In a few minutes, then it'll be ready. When it's the dark time, then the stars will glow. Then you'll sleep there forever. Yes.
Sleep there forever.
Yes.
You're not going to come out, Rania.
No. I will stay here because I love my princess tent. Finished tent, and how pretty it is. And look at my teddies. And here's my little brother. And it's so cute with my little teddies in them. But when it's going to be tomorrow, then we'll put even more teddies. Then it'll be nice and cozy. Yes, I'll be. Wow, look at that toy. If you want to come in our house, if you want to come in our house, then you can play in our tent if you love to. Everyone will play in my tent, but not everyone, just 3 and 2. Not friends, Oppie. Oppie, not friends. For girls, not for boys. This is my choice. Me. Oh, I really love that one. It's so cute. Me too, Oppie. Wow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later. Hit the bell button and don't forget our videos. Don't forget the videos. If you want to watch lots of our videos, hit the bell button and please subscribe. Bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.